Hello everyone, I am Jayshri Bej, a first year undergraduate student from Computer Science and Engineering Department 4 year at Iit Kharagpur. My roll number is 21CS10034 and I am in section 18. For this die assignment, I decided to make mouse using FreeCode. Firstly, I can change it in wireframe for better understand. In XY plane, I draw polyline and V-shape lines for giving the surface of mouse. After that, I copied the geometrically of upper sketch, then drag the another small sketch like the first one. Then I place the sketches here. I can place the sketches in attachment and change the measurements of the lines. Then using loft add the varied sketches and then using part fillet the selected edges of a shape. Then I am selected in 3 slice and then click on slice apart and then it is changed on exploded slice. Except this, I can change in flat line. Except this, I can change this slide in toggle visibility for made this slide by using pad. And then I can select these 3 slices and same process slice apart and then exported slices and then I can change it here there's toggle visibility and now made mouse. Then I exported STL mesh file of this one. Now here in Cura I exported the STL file. Now in the pin setting I change it quality 0.2 millimeter, infill is 30% and speed is 50 millimeter per second. I cannot choose in support because here did not need. It is small model so it can take less time. Now I can click in slice to see the timing. Here the time is 5 or 52 minutes. The time is to print my 3D picture and now I can click on preview here. Here it is my 3D picture. It is my die assignment 1. Now I can less the volume and made my 3D picture for die assignment. Thank you.